The 2025 Ford Fiesta has officially arrived, and it's making waves with a refreshed design, improved technology, and a continued focus on driving enjoyment in a compact package. While the Fiesta has long been a favorite in the subcompact car segment, this latest version builds on that legacy with meaningful updates aimed at modern drivers. Ford has managed to keep the car affordable and fun while giving it a more premium feel across all trims. From design tweaks to tech enhancements, the 2025 Fiesta is more compelling than ever for city commuters and young drivers alike. The exterior has received a notable facelift, with a sleeker front grille, revised LED headlights, and sharper lines that give the car a more dynamic appearance. The overall shape remains compact and urban-friendly, but it now features a slightly more athletic stance, thanks to subtle changes in the bumper and side profile. Alloy wheels have also been redesigned, and higher trims come with sportier options that enhance curb appeal. The color palette has expanded too, introducing fresh, youthful hues like Arctic blue and solar yellow, which give buyers more ways to express their personality through their vehicle. Inside the cabin, Ford has stepped up its game. The dashboard has been redesigned to feel more modern, with a cleaner layout and more soft-touch materials throughout. The centerpiece is the updated SINC4 infotainment system, now featured on a crisp 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard across most trims. Ford has also improved voice recognition and introduced over-the-air updates, meaning the system can stay current without needing a dealership visit. Ambient lighting, a redesigned digital instrument cluster, and optional heated seats and steering will make the cabin feel like it belongs in a more premium class. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiesta retains its fuel-efficient engine options, including the 1.0-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine that has become a favorite for its peppy performance and great mileage. This engine is now tuned for slightly better responsiveness, and fuel economy figures have improved marginally thanks to enhanced aerodynamics and a more efficient start-stop system. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual for enthusiasts and an updated automatic for those prioritizing convenience. While the Fiesta isn't a performance car in the traditional sense, its light chassis and responsive steering continue to deliver a fun-to-drive character that sets it apart from rivals. Safety has also seen upgrades, with Ford including more driver assistance features as standard. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera are now available across all models. Higher trims come with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous parking assist system. These additions bring the Fiesta up to par with larger vehicles in Ford's lineup when it comes to driver confidence and peace of mind. The 2025 Ford Fiesta remains a standout in the small car segment by blending affordability with surprising levels of refinement and technology. It's clear that Ford hasn't abandoned small car buyers, even in a market dominated by crossovers and SUVs. With its updated styling, smarter interior, and driver-friendly dynamics, the new Fiesta is more than just a budget option, it's a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to enjoy the drive without breaking the bank.